welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll be making this beautiful beret cap if this is what you're interested in. Hi guys, welcome to yet another tutorial. If you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please do so that you can get notification of our videos, and do not forget to like this video. That's how you can really help us to grow. And also comment, share. If you have any question, I'll be in the comment section to attend to all your questions. So today we're making the beret with this adre fabric, and I want to try this for the first time. I am not the beret side, so but I just have this piece remaining from my previous video, and I said let me use it to make something nice. So to start with, we are going to fold our fabric into a square of 6, minimum of 6. That is, I have nothing less than 6 here. Then this is the first folding, it should be minimum of 6. Then now the second folding, let me see. Okay, so I have a square of 8 8. Now I'm going to measure. I notice the high. So this tutorial I'll be making a beret cap. Now to do this, I'm going to measure a circle of 6 radius. So I just measure 6 all around. Let me show you. I folded when I was cutting, I didn't know that my camera wasn't recording, so I missed out cutting part. So let me just explain. I folded my fabric into 4. First like this, the first one like 1, while the second one is like this 2. Then I measure 6 inches round. 6 inches round. I use it to cut out 2 pieces of this. So here are the 2 pieces that I have. Now I'm going to pick one of the 2 pieces, which is this. Then I'll fold like this. So folding like this, I'll try and get my hair circumference, so that I will know how wide the mouth of the beret is going to be. So my hair circumference here is 23. So 23, I'm going to divide 23 by 3, 6.28. 23 by 3 divided by 6.28 is going to be our, so that gave me 3.6. Now I'm going to measure 3.6 all around. 3.6, 3.6, 3.6, 3.6. Now I can connect the lines together. Then I'll cut this out. So now I'm going to use this to cut out the lining. I'll also use this for the lining. I'll cut lining for this, I'll cut lining for this. After cutting lining for this, I'm going to iron my soft wadding on it so that it can give me this soft beret texture when holding it. So I'll do that off camera, then come back to show us next step. Okay, I've cut out the lining for this. Then if you want to make this a reversible cap, make sure that you use the fabric you want to use, not lining, because I'm not wearing it as reversible, I'm wearing it as a single cap. So that's why I cut out the lining. Now I'm going to place it on each other like this. Then I will sew round with 1/2 inch. This one I've already attached my soft wadding to it, you can see. Then I'm going to place it on it like this. Then I'll also sew 1/2 inch round. After sewing it, come back to show us. Okay guys, I'm done sewing the front part and also the lining. Now I'm going to notch round, then turn it over. this. Then I'll also turn this to the front part. I'll go ahead and iron it. So now that this is at the front, this is at the front, I will sew this like this. See, like I'm wearing the, yes, I'll keep it this way. Then I'm going to stitch round, then I will leave small space that is enough for me to turn it out. After that, I'll come and show us. Alright, now I've done attaching it to the tip here, and then I left a space here that I'll be able to turn it out. So I'm going to notch it around. To do now is to turn it over from the space I left. So at this part you have to be very careful so that your stitch don't lose. Good. Now I'm going back to top stitch on this part that I left for the opening. So I have to turn it over. Then I'm going to top stitch around all these edges to make it sit properly, or we can just iron it out. To start, if you can't iron it out, just top stitch. So I'll top stitch on it, then also iron it out, and come back to show us the final look of our beret.